Let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you have any issues with your Bluetooth device, the first thing that we're gonna do is of course open settings. Then we're gonna proceed to connections over here, and you should be able to find the Bluetooth option. The first thing that you can do is you can simply turn off your Bluetooth over here. You can also of course turn off your Bluetooth device as well. After that, we're gonna turn Bluetooth back on our phone and turn your Bluetooth device back on it as well. Now, if you had your Bluetooth device connected already in the past, then most likely you can reconnect to it again. If not, you can of course tap on it if you have it in paired devices in order to try to connect. But if that doesn't work, you might need to enable or put the Bluetooth device into the pairing mode again, and once it is in the pairing mode, then of course you can tap on it in order to pair one more time, or to try to pair. On the other hand, if you still have an issue with the Bluetooth device not connecting properly, you can tap on the setting icon, of course. That is as long as the device is saved on the phone. And of course you can unpair the device and try to pair it again. So we're gonna turn off our Bluetooth device after removing it from our Samsung Galaxy S26. Then we're gonna turn it back on, and then if possible put it into the pairing mode again. Now of course some Bluetooth devices do not have the pairing button or anything like that, so make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. Once we have the pairing mode activated, we can tap on the scan button in the upper right corner, which is available after a short time, and then you should be able to find your Bluetooth device on this list of available devices. So of course now you should be able to try to pair it one more time. Now let me also check some settings in the Bluetooth in order to see if there's anything that could be the reason why something might not work, but it seems that no, not really. Of course, just make sure that you didn't block the pairing request by accident or something like that. You can check that in here. But overall, I don't think there is something that you can mess in the settings. Now, if you still cannot connect your Bluetooth device, another thing that you can do is you can perform a hard reset or factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device, because every Bluetooth device has its own way to factory reset. But once you do that, of course, you can try to pair your Bluetooth device one more time over here on your phone. And there is actually two more things that we can do on our Samsung Galaxy S26. The first option is to go to let me actually try to find it. There we go, general management. So in the settings, go to the general management, then over here we're gonna tap on reset, and then in here you should be able to find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now this option allows you to reset both of these settings, and unfortunately you cannot separate it. So once you decide to reset, you will also have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, for example, and all your Bluetooth devices are going to be erased from your phone as well. So keep in mind that you will have to pair them one more time. But once you reset these settings, you need to go to connections and try to pair your Bluetooth device one more time, and hopefully this time it's going to work just fine. And the last thing that you can do is simply restart your phone. You want to simply reboot it, and sometimes a simple reboot of the phone also can be quite helpful. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.